Find the remainder when px equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 9 when this is divided by x minus 2. My remainder theorem is pretty straightforward. It says that to find the remainder, I have to divide by whatever where this equals, or the dividend, or the divisor equals 0. So I'm going to say for A, I'm going to find out where does x minus 2 equals 0. And that equals x at 2. Okay, so therefore, my remainder is where I substitute 2 into my equation. That becomes 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 9. That will give us 8 minus 2 squared is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, minus 4 plus 9. That answer is minus 4, minus 8 plus 9 is 1. So when I divide px, x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 9, that is where x minus 2, which means when x is 2, is divided into that. Substitute that value into my equation, and I'll get my final answer. So look at number B. B will have where 2x plus 1 equals 0. That's what I have to substitute into my polynomial. That means x equals, what I'll do is I'll take plus 1 to the other side, make it subtract by 1, and then divide by 2. So my answer will be minus a half. So I will find p at negative a half. Whatever my answer is will be my remainder. So I'm going to use brackets in this case. X cubed means minus a half cubed, minus 3 times negative a half squared, minus 2 times negative a half plus 9. This will give us a negative times a negative times a negative is negative. 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8. I'm going to have a negative squared, which means a negative times a negative is a positive, multiplied by a negative is a negative. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, so it's 1 over 4 multiplied by 3, which will give us 3 over 4. I have a 2 divided by a 2. 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. A negative times a negative is positive, so it's positive 1, positive 9. That is minus 8, minus 3 over 4, plus 10. Add your fractions. The easiest probably will to say put it over 8. So that is minus 1 times 2 times 2, so it's minus 6. Minus 6. And then for 10, because this is 10 over 1, it's going to be times 8 times 8, so it's going to be plus 80. Plus 80. That will give us 80 take away 6 take away 1 is 73 over 8. Can leave it that way, or we can say 8 goes in 73 9 times, 1 remains, so it's 9 and 1/8.